come to Commonwealth and you will have an opportunity to work on some really interesting projects. You will be able to grow your career. You will be exposed to mentors and coaching and guidance, much more so than anyone else in the industry. We do a lot of mentorship, a lot of over-the-desk training and support. Sitting across the desk from an experienced engineer, and you can't always get that at a larger organization.
Commonwealth is a power consulting firm. We provide expert engineering services in the energy market.
The part of their culture that I really love the most is the way that they want us to really learn and grow here at the company, but also learn and grow about the things that we're passionate about and the things that we love. They really want us to find our purpose in the company, and that's what makes work really exciting and makes me really love my job here.
We've used the term family in the past, and that's something that gets kind of bantered about. But the one point I want to make, there's a lot of people at our company, and I mean a lot, that have said, this is the longest I've ever worked at a place. We have a lot of people that have worked 4 or 5 different places, but they've been here the longest.
I think the culture here at Commonwealth, we're very agile, we're accommodating, and we're gritty. I mean, we set our mind to something and we're going to get it done. We also come in with a very team-driven aspect behind us, I guess you could say. So everybody helps everybody here. And that's one thing that's been so beautiful about Commonwealth, and one of the reasons why I've really enjoyed my time here so far.
We hold them to a high level of accountability. We want them to do things. We want them to do them right. We want them to meet schedules and budgets and perform. But performing doesn't mean you don't make mistakes, right? You can make a mistake, and we want to learn from that and move on. So I think that's it, is the culture of respect and integrity.
But you have an opportunity to say, hey, I really care about what I'm doing, and my work directly reflects that.
There's no shame in reaching out for help here. Nobody's gonna look down on you if you say, I need help. And it shows. You can see that when people stick around late to get a package out on time, or you see somebody struggling with something, you step in even though that's not your client, that's not your discipline, whatever. You know that there's ways you can help bail them out. The camaraderie, the relationships that we formed is really what's made us successful.
It's not as rigid as it is in a lot of other companies, and they accept your feedback. So as you're learning and growing as a company, so when you offer feedback to your supervisor, it's really considered.
I would say it goes back to us caring so much about our people and wanting to know what our people want and truly listening to them, because some companies ask for feedback. They do an annual engagement survey, they ask what people want, and then they don't action on it. And we do our very best to truly listen, to truly action, and take seriously what people want.
Seeing everybody and getting to shake everybody's hand and meeting them in person, you really understand how much they care about their job and how much of an impact they also want to make. I think that's what is so important about Commonwealth is the people. We're very proud to be Commonwealth employees,